Minsky. And this is the milk snake. No such snake. They have beautiful patterns and very striking colors. Some localized as natural defense of independence of venomous foreign snake. They are constrictor, suffocating their prey before eating. And of course, milk snake can reach the length of 6 to 7 feet. So once again, how about a big round of applause to Minsky, our milk snake, and of course to our brave volunteer. Ma'am, kapapakanya naman sila. Ayaw naman bitaw. And because of that, ma'am, I have something for you. And this is a color souvenir for you. And a super discount card. Ayan. O, 2 bucks. So again, for our next feature,